Here at the Capitol steps, hundreds of people are gathered for the Good Trouble demonstrations. We are told by organizers that the people who witnessed or were outraged by this morning's Border Patrol operation are also out here to demonstrate. We spoke today with an immigration attorney who says there are many calls coming in and many questions from the public. Some of the biggest questions we're hearing from residents and state leaders regarding the Border Patrol operation at a Sacramento Home Depot on Thursday: was this operation legal under the Constitution?
Are they actually supposed to be, in our communities out here picking up people?
You can't arrest somebody based on their race, ethnicity, what language they're speaking.
But this attorney says it is allowed if there's probable cause, an arrest warrant, criminal history. Those are things he says should come into play when it comes to these kinds of operations. ICE officials who are holding these individuals at a facility in Stockton tell us they are going through the process and going through each individual's history with a fine-tooth comb before they can determine next steps. But they say that this was not a random operation and that there was a reason why they were looking for these specific individuals at that specific Home Depot location, and that some of them had been previously deported. So next question, what happens now?
I don't know what happened before the video started recording with Mr. Castillo. I don't know why the officers decided they could manhandle and arrest a U.S. citizen. I don't know. But assuming they're alleging some type of criminal conduct, then the case will be referred to the U.S. Attorney's Office. The U.S. Attorney will review it, and if there's enough in it for a formal filing, then Mr. Castillo will look at criminal proceedings. The other individuals, the 11 that were detained, it just depends on their history. It depends how long they've been here. It depends what country they're from. It depends on whether they've had prior immigration contact.
ICE officials say that Castillo was not targeted and that he was arrested for obstruction and impeding. We're hearing from sources who were present during the operation that there may have allegedly been a confrontation between Castillo and the agents, but ICE officials we spoke with did not get into any specifics. Ransom and Benavides advised the public to call an immigration attorney and to know their rights.
You can keep quiet, remain silent. You do not have to open doors. Business owners do not have to let people in without a warrant.
And again, right now, officials do confirm that Castillo was arrested for impeding operations and assaulting a federal officer. State officials say if you are bystanders in a situation like this, you are allowed to document and report, but it is important not to engage in any criminal activity that could cause things to escalate. For now, reporting in Sacramento, covering local news that matters, Josie Hart, Fox 40 News.
And